India again invited for G7 summit meeting. The United Kingdom has invited Indian Prime Minister as a guest to attend the 47G summit that is scheduled to be held in June 2021. What is the G7? The G7 Group of Seven is an organization made up of the world's seven largest so-called advanced economies: Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, and the United Kingdom and the United States. The group regards itself as a community of values with freedom of human rights, democracy, and the rule of law, and prosperity of the sustainable development as its key principles. What does it do? The initial group of six first met in 1975 to exchange ideas on possible solutions to a global economic crisis. Canada joined the following year. Ministers and civil servants from the G7 countries meet throughout the year to discuss matters of mutual interest. Each member nation takes over the G7 presidency for a year on a rolling basis and hosts the annual centerpiece two-day summit meeting. Energy policy, climate change, HIV/AIDS, and global security are just some of the subjects discussed as past summits. India and G7. The participation of India at the 45th summit in Biarritz, France in August 2019 is a reflection of deepening strategic partnership and recognition of India as a major economic power. India was also invited for the 2020 summit hosted by the USA, which could not take place due to pandemic. Previously, India had attended G8 summit, it became G7, and from G8 with the expulsion of Russia in 2014, 5 times between 2005 and 2009. Important platform for deliberations. India's ability to safeguard its core sovereign concerns such as trade, Kashmir issue, and India's relation with Russia and Iran can be discussed with G7 members. India raised issues on climate change and at meetings which signaled India's growing willingness to lead on issues that are points of contention for countries like China and the USA. Significance of India at G7. As current president of Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, BRICS, and G20 president in 2023, India will play a key role driving in multilateral cooperation, helping to build back better around the world. What challenges does the G7 face? Internally, the G7 has had a number of disagreements. Most recently when President Trump clashed with other members over taxes on imports and action on climate change at last year's summit in Canada. The organization has also been criticized for not reflecting the current state of global plot. The organization has also been criticized for not reflecting the current state of global politics or economics. There are no G7 members from Africa, Latin America, or the Southern Hemisphere. And it faces a challenge from fast-growing emerging economies like India and Brazil, who, though represented in the G20 group of economics, are not members of the G7. It has been suggested by some global economists that these economies will outstrip some of the G7 nations by 2050.